but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Come in and
Hey guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my first ever video on my second channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to add thumbnails 2019. I did one of these videos back in 2017 on my main channel named It's Michelle. So I decided to do an updated version because I feel like I wasn't clear enough and a lot of people confuse me as a guy, which is kind of crazy, but I mean, it really doesn't bother me, and I wanted to be a little more clear and just do an updated version because that was like 2 years ago, so yeah. So let's just get started with the video. I'm gonna get the app Puffin, which I know a lot of people may be asking, why don't we just do it like on the regular like Safari or something? It just doesn't work for some reason. Like it just doesn't work the same, just doesn't work. Now we're on Puffin. What you're gonna do is, this is like the main thing you gotta do when you're on the app. You wanna press desktop site when you just got the app. I'm gonna search up youtube.com. Now after you're logged in, we are on the home screen right now. We're going to go to the upper right corner and we're going to press on our little profile picture and then go onto Creator Studio. Then we're going to pick one of the videos that we're going to do our thumbnails on and press on edit. If this pops up on your like screen, your account isn't eligible for custom thumbnails. That means you have not verified your channel, and we're going to do that and teach you that in this video. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Creator Studio and we're going to go to the left and press on channel. This screen is going to pop up and it says verify, so we're going to have to do that to add thumbnails to our videos. This screen will pop out and it says account verification, step 1 out of 2. So what you're going to choose is your country, and after that you're going to choose out of these two options how they should deliver the verification code to you, with an automated voice message or with the verification code. So what I'm going to choose is the automated voice message. So you can also use the verification code, but I'm going to use the automated voice message. What you're going to do is you're going to put in your language and your phone number. So I'm going to use the app Text Me. I'm going to use the app Text Me because a lot of people did wonder if they don't have like a phone number, what they could do. I'm just gonna you can legit use a phone app from like the App Store / Play Store, and you can use that, and they give you a phone number and you can just use that to verify your channel. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna press submit.
Remember, you should not share this code with anyone else, and no one from Google will ever ask for this code. Your code is...
So now what you're going to press is submit. If you go back to this page, it says your account is now verified. It has like the little check mark, which is like an awesome feeling. So now we're going to go back to our little icon and we're going to press on it and go back to Creator Studio. And you're going to pick the video you want to change your thumbnail / add your thumbnail to. And we're going to press on edit to the video we want to change the thumbnail to. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. I'm going to try my very best to try to answer them. It would really help a lot if you guys want to go check out my main channel called It's Michelle. It's going to be in the description box below. And yeah, that is it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. It means a lot if you guys would subscribe to this channel because it is my first video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and that is going to be it. Bye, guys.